My facts on weather. Weather is not climate. A prediction of rain from the television forecast tells you what the weather holds for the day, which is not the same as climate. Climate refers to long term average temperature, rain, and snowfall data collection in a regime over several years. To get the most up to date factors about the weather, stick your head outside the door to see what's happening. Weather myths. Lightning can strike twice. Most people believe the lightning doesn't strike twice in the same spot, but this is one of many weather myths, as lightning can strike tall objects like trees or antennas multiple times, especially in slow moving storms. The Sunshine State is less sunny than Arizona, even though people have nicknamed Florida the Sunshine State. Areas in the southern part of the United States. More sun than Florida does Phoenix, Arizona receive 211 days of sunshine compared with Tampa, Florida, which only receives 101 days. The truth about Seattle. Seattle, Washington is not the rainiest city in the United States, though it does have more days with rain than anywhere else on average. Miami, Florida received 61.92 inches of rains. New York, 49.92 inches, while Seattle receives 37.41 inches of rain per year. The windiest city, Chicago, Illinois, got its name as the Windy City due to its hot air blustery politicians during the late 19th century, not because it received more wind than other cities on average. Dodge City, Kansas has a wind speed up to 13.9 miles per hour, while Chicago only average wind speed of 10 mph. Hurricanes and typhoons. Many people think that hurricane and typhoons describe the different weather phenomenon, but the name for the same type of storm that occurs over the ocean. Both are known as tropical cyclones. The generic name used for the weather events, but hurricanes occur in Atlantic and typhoons occur in the Pacific. This simply design designation lets meteorologists immediately know the region of oceans where the storm occurs. Tornadoes don't touch down. Dr. Greg Forbes, weather expert for the Weather Channel, says the wind that creates a tornado from quickly as the ground level and works upwards instead of working from the sky down. This means that saying a tornado touchdown is an accurate description of how tornadoes work. Water sprouts and tornadoes. Weather for kids must include the fact that water sprouts and tornadoes are basically the same thing, as a water sprout is just a tornado over the ocean. The National Ocean Atmosphere Administration describes a water sprout as whirling columns of air and the mist There are two kinds of water sprouts, tornadic and far weather sprouts. Fair weather water sprouts from near where the cumulus clouds develop and generally fall apart when they hit the land. Tornadoes threaten a larger area than just Tornado Alley. Tornado Alley, commonly referred to in the area of the Midwest of the United States where tornadoes regularly from this includes Lola, parts of Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, a corner of Wyoming, Colorado, and Texas, but except for areas in the Northeast. All states of the Rocky Mountain are especially subject to tornado threats. Really, Tornado Alley should include the southern Tennessee Valley and the Gulf Coast states as well. Most Americans believe global warming is real. Anthony Lesorowitz, director of Yale Program on Climate Change Commission, and his colleagues said regular survey people in the U.S. and global warming since 2008. His March 2018 survey indicates that of the 1,278 people survived, 70% believe global warming is real. In 2015, only 63% of these surveys thought it was real.